Hello, my name is Father Hitpass. For those of you here at St. Nicholas, you've known me for many years as your pastor, but there are many others who might have downloaded this app and might be sharing these reflections. I'd like to say a little bit about why we're doing these reflections together as a parish. We just feel that it's a way of helping people feel connected to the parish, feel part of the community, and for those who aren't part of the St. Nicholas community here in O'Fallon, just to feel part of a group of people who are interested in their spiritual life. For all of us, because we're all very busy, we tend to kind of live at the surface of life, and these reflections are meant to invite us to go a little bit below the surface and to reflect on some of the deeper things in life, some of the things that are more important and not simply more urgent. And some of the reflections will be from Scripture, some will be from spiritual writings, some will be thoughts that some of us have learned just from reflecting on life itself. I'll be doing some of the reflections, but most of you have, especially those here at St. Nicholas, have heard me for many years and have heard me way too often, way too long, and it's time for other voices. So I'll do some of the reflections. Some of the other staff will too, but the bulk of the reflections will be done by Mr. Mark Ettling, who's new to our staff. Mark is the coordinator of adult faith formation. Mark worked at the Shrine of Our Lady of the Snows before coming here to us. Mark brings a lot of gifts. One of the gifts is just a rich family life of his own. Mark and his wife, Terry, were married for 30 years. They raised 3 children together and enjoyed grandchildren together. Mark has known the joys of loving. And then in this past year and a half, when Terry was dying of cancer, he's known the cost of loving and the pain of loving. And the more we know about real life and all those kinds of things, the deeper our spirituality becomes, and the more we see how much the Scriptures and other things shed light on our ordinary life. So Mark also comes with a wonderful background in Scripture and spirituality, has taught at St. Louis University for a long time, and Mark will be very helpful in helping us simply look at our life each day. This reflection, whatever time of day we might watch it, is meant to simply connect us to each other, deepen our thoughts, convince us how much we're loved by our God and how much God has made us His own. I hope you enjoy the reflections and find them very helpful. Thank you.